is a solar street light? What are its functions or what are its components? This is my Physics R integrated project. Now let's find answers to these questions. Solar street lights in Himachal Pradesh. What are solar street lights? Solar street lights are raised light sources which are powered by solar panels generally mounted on the lighting structure or integrated into the pole itself. The solar panels charge a rechargeable battery which powers a fluorescent or LED lamp during the night. Solar street light system uses the photovoltaic technology to convert the sunlight into DC electricity through solar cells. The generated electricity can either be used directly during the day or may be stored in the batteries for the use during night hours. What are the features of solar streetlights? Thanks to the recent developments in technology, solar streetlights available in the market come loaded with some generally amazing features. Some of them are automatic dusk-to-dawn operation. With the solar streetlights, there is no issue of changing the settings for the different weather conditions as it turns on and off automatically. It even turns on when the natural light dims out to certain levels during the day or cloudy weather conditions. Cable-free operation. Any standard streetlights requires wiring to be done all around it, but the solar panel streetlights are free from any wiring clutter. These differ from the traditional streetlights in the fact that here the whole body of the product including the battery are concise and concealed inside with no requirement for additional wiring on the outside. High transmission of lights. The solar streetlights are fitted with optical grade materials that ensure very high average light transmission. The ideal color mixing results in the highest possible efficiency and larger area coverage than the traditional electric light. Most solar lights turn on and off automatically by sensing outdoor light using solar panel voltage. Solar streetlights are designed to work throughout the night. Many can stay lit for more than one night if the sun is not in the sky for the extended period of time. Older models include lamps that were not fluorescent or LED. Solar street lights installed in the windy regions are generally equipped with flat panels to better cope with the winds. Model design use wireless technology and fuzzy control theory for battery management. The streetlights using this technology can operate as a network, with each light having the capability of performing the journey on and off the network. Solar streetlights are environment friendly. With the all-in-one solar streetlights, there is always a guarantee of around 80% limit maintenance even after 50,000 hours of services. It has several environmental advantages like no mercury in the structure and longer component life, which combines to produce less weight than traditional lights. Thermal efficiency. When it comes to an integrated solar street lights, the thermal management is the key to make it last longer. Each of the light bars is mounted to the heat sinks that makes the LED units are kept in an optimal temperature. Solar cell efficiency at maximum equals Nmax equals Pmax by E times AC into 100%, where Pmax equals maximum power output in watts and E equals incident radiation flux in watts per meter square. AC is the area of the collector in meter square. What are the components of solar streetlights? Number 1, solar cell. Number 2, LED lamps. Number 3, light pole. And number 4, control box which contains charger, controller and battery. What is the working principle of solar streetlights? According to principle of photovoltaic effect, the solar panels receive the solar radiation during the daytime and then convert it into electrical energy through the charge and discharge controller. It is finally stored in the battery. When the light intensity is reduced to about 10 lux during night and open circuit voltage of solar panels reaches at a certain value, the controller has detected voltage value and then acts. The battery offers the energy to the LED light to drive the LED emits visible light at a certain direction. battery discharges after a certain time passes, the charge and discharge controller will act again to end the discharge of the battery in order to prepare next charging or discharging again. Solar streetlights in Himachal Pradesh. Funds are being provided by the state government for providing solar streetlights in scheduled caste concentrated villages. Currently, the implementation is done through the installation of standalone solar streetlights. However, instances of theft of battery, maintenance and replacement of battery after a period of 5 to 6 years remain an issue. So, while this system is helpful in scattered habitations, such solar streetlights may be installed through grid-connected solar power plants in villages where the households are in the form of clusters. This will make the system more sustainable, solve the issues associated with batteries. What is the future scope of solar streetlights? We can confidently say that the solar-powered streetlights will inevitably be the streetlights of the future. And investing and installing in these will play a major part in a clean, green environment. This will also contribute to a brighter future for the coming generations. Conclusion. When it comes to an understanding of solar streetlight working principle, there are several things that we must know. Understanding various components of solar streetlight system and their functions is a plus. Solar lighting is bringing changes to many areas including the village of Bala near Himalayas in the northern state of Himachal Pradesh. Thank you. I would like to thank my school principal, Rani Miss, for giving me the opportunity to do this project. Then, I would like to thank my physics teacher, Juna Miss, whose valuable guidance has been the one that helped me pass this project and make it successful. Her suggestions and instructions have served as a major contribution towards the completion of this project. Then, I would like to thank my parents and friends whose guidance and suggestions helped me in the various phases of the completion of this project. Thank you.